Welcome to the Central Waqf UMEED Portal. Let's continue. Now enter encroachment details. Whether the property is under encroachment, alienation, encumbrance. Click on yes or no to indicate the same. Choose the type of encroachment from drop-down menu. Select the unit of measurement to define the measurement of encroached area from the drop-down menu. Enter the numeric value of the area affected under encroachment, alienation, encumbrance of the property. Now enter the full name of the encroacher. Select the religion of the encroacher from the drop-down list. Add detailed description and legal reference in the Details of Encroachment and Act field. Now enter the details regarding the land revenue records. Please note that the state is auto-fetched from the registration details. Choose the corresponding district from the drop-down menu. Select the tehsil or taluk and property village from the drop-down menu. Please note the LGD code associated with village or locality will be auto-populated. Now provide the khata number representing land records, khasra, khatoni, khewat number in the field. Now enter patta number associated with the land. Enter the ward number, then road number or name of the property. Specify the lane number. Enter house number or plot number of the property. Provide nearest landmark to help and locate the property. Now enter 6-digit postal code. Select unit of measurement of the property. Property area in square meters, which is the total land area. Please note, system has auto-calculated the converted area in acres as per the input provided. Now fill details related to the identification and boundaries of the Waqf properties. Enter the landmark that lies in the north of the Waqf property. Similarly, enter the details for the west, east and south of the Waqf property. Now upload property photos. Select the Choose File option to upload the photos of the property. Click on Next button. A new pop-up will appear. Click on Yes to proceed and No to cancel the process. After clicking on Yes, a new pop-up will appear and ask you if you want to add properties in existing Waqf. Click on Yes, Proceed and add more properties to proceed and add. If not, click on No, Submit and Next button to not proceed for adding more properties and submit details and continue further. Congratulations! You have successfully enrolled details of Waqf property on the portal. That's it in this video. We will continue the process in next of our videos. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.
अल्पसंख्यक कार्य मंत्रालय, भागीदारी से भाग्योदय।